What transformed ordinary men into some of the most feared warriors of the ancient world? For the Spartan Hoplite, bronze armor was more than protection. It represented discipline, duty, and complete loyalty to the men standing beside him. A Spartan entered battle wearing a bronze helmet, body armor, greaves, and carrying the heavy round shield known as the aspis. Each piece added weight, restricted movement, and demanded endurance. Yet the armor was designed for more than individual survival. In the phalanx, one warrior's shield helped protect the man to his left, binding every soldier to the strength of the entire formation. When Spartan warriors advanced with shields locked and spears lowered, the sight alone could intimidate an enemy. Their matching equipment, controlled movement, and deep crimson cloaks created the appearance of a single disciplined force rather than a collection of individuals. The armor did not make a Spartan invincible. Its true power came from the training, trust, and responsibility required to carry it. A shield abandoned in fear could expose the entire line. A warrior who remained in position protected not only himself but every brother beside him. That is why Spartan armor became part of the warrior's identity. It was both a burden and an honor, a reminder that strength meant accepting responsibility when the pressure was greatest. Subscribe to Forgotten Thrones TV for more true stories from ancient history. Books by James P. Patterson are available on Amazon and other major book retailers.